What's up, nerds? Welcome to my channel. Okay, let's not waste any time. You want to know how to stream to Kick from your OBS Studios. Okay, so super simple. Go to your kick.com account, log in, and then over here on the left, look for your stream key. And you're going to see these two things. You're going to see stream URL and stream key. So keep these guys close by. Then go ahead and open up your OBS and click on settings. Scroll over here to stream. And under service, you're going to want custom. Once you've got this selected, simply go back to your Kick account and copy your stream URL. Come back over to OBS, paste that under server, then go back to Kick, copy your stream key, come back over here to OBS and paste it here under your stream key, hit apply, and you're done. So then when you go back here to your Kick account, go ahead and click stream, hit got it. Make sure you edit your information right over here for your stream. And then when you hit go live, start streaming on OBS, you're going to automatically go live and you're going to be able to see your account, your activity feed, and your chat live right here on your Kick dashboard. Hopefully you guys found that helpful and right to the point. If you guys enjoyed the video and this type of content, make sure to leave a thumbs up, a comment down below, and don't forget to hit that sub button. Cheers.